Hey guys, this quick video here showing you how to find an ECM in the junkyard and make sure it's what you want. So I just have an ECM out of this old truck here, neighborhood junkyard. Wired up my power wires. You need the one from your diagnostic port, your OBD2 port. And then pin 19 and 20 is a main 12-volt battery ground, or battery power, and an ignition power. Just wire together and then run to your battery. Ground side just come from, I believe it's pin 79, the big one. And then take your two grounds off of your OBD port, connect them together, run them up to the battery. And then pin 27 and 28, you'll see the brown, or the tan wire and the tan with dark line. And that just goes to the corresponding pins on your OBD port. And of course you need a battery and an HPtuners, so stay tuned. I'll give you an update if it works for what I need. And welcome back guys. Forgot to say last time, this is E38 ECM. So just gonna be quick, just to make sure we got what we need. We'll go to the OS tab. And you can see we have the 2-bar speed density operating system patch available. So we have what we need. See you next time.